Hey guys, this is Bill from MTI Equipment. We just got in a 2023 Vermeer 2022 Series 3, and we wanted to show it to you guys here. The machine has 550 hours on it. It's got the 2.06 400 series drill stem that's in real good shape, 80 to 90%. You can see some rods still have the black paint on them. The rack and pinion is like new, as it should, for 550 hours. Now we put this in a package here. Machine's sort of as new as a used rig really gets that we see through here. Well, we put this with an F5 Falcon package with an Aurora display. We have a new drill head set up. Now this is the 2 1/8 inch quick connect here. The low profile threads. We could put this with a Hawkeye or the quick fire just as easy. And then we put it with a new trailer and a mixer. This is a Performix PM170 500 gallon mixer. Great system. And then with a T12 custom heavy haul trailer. So this has got two 12,000 pound axles, so more than heavy enough to haul both the mixer and the drill rig around. I also want to make a note too that we actually just got in a 2022 with 860 hours as well. And we could package up whatever 2022 or whatever machine you see on our website with a trailer or a mixer. And if you wanted to save a couple dollars, we could change out the F5 Falcon for an F2 or an F1, whatever locator you want. Same with the trailer and mixer. We have a used trailer and a used mixer, help you save a couple dollars. Give us a call and we can work through whatever your budget is.